talanta ndani ya mitaa yetu.
Jatend duond bura ma National Liberal Party Augustus Kyalo oseyo jatend Wiper Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka kuom dwaro mondo mi otamre kao kom mar bedo commissioner kata mana bang' yombo yiero makamano. Koloso kod jofwambo, Kyalo wacho ni noyombo yiero ma yande obage kod kura maromo 16 ka jalno mawuok e duond bura mar Wiper noyudo mana kura 7. Medo ni noyiere kod kweth mar Azimio to kaka Kalonzo osebedo ka wacho ka bende oseyo Kalonzo kuom wacho ni itiyo kode kod piny owacho kama yango ni ma wach modhi ataro kod weche mag dongruok ma pacho ka.
His Excellency Kalonzo Musyoka claimed in public that I am a proxy of the government. I'm being used by the government. And I want to categorically say that this is a complete lie. I have been elected by 16 members in Azimio. 16 members out of 23 in Azimio. Where is the government's hand in all this? Even by the time the elections were held in July, Kalonzo was the leader of Azimio. He was the de facto because Raila was involved with other things. So he was in charge of that house, and in that house, the members of that house decided to give me the votes. So where does state proxy come in? This is just a language being used once somebody has lost. We went through a free and fair election and our party won. My candidature won. I've been backed by actual people. Actual parties have voted for me. And just as I go away, we must now see how to go forward as a country. I stated earlier that I'm willing to step down. I'm not cast in stone in this position. If this is something that's breaking the country apart, I'm willing to step down, but only to the right candidate. The same people who elected me in Azimio, if they today sit and say, we need to change this person, I'm willing to step down. I've called on Kalonzo and the Wiper Party, bring in the church elders, let us have a meeting, let us see where is the problem. We can't keep fighting in public. We can't keep fighting that the country is suffering.
Jogo manie sekta mar puro nyiso luor margi ni migao mar pur kidekla omenda maromo shillings bilion 2.2 manochwalnegi kod bengi mar pinje ma mar tayo chenro mopogore mag pur e pacho ka. Jatend migao mar